Also following up right now on a downtown Buffalo grocery store and plans to pump more of your money into the struggling market. 7 News has uncovered a request to the Common Council asking that $500,000 in short-term assistance go to Braymiller Market. Braymiller Market capped off an 8-year effort by the city of Buffalo to bring a grocery store downtown. In his State of the City address in 2015, Mayor Byron Brown announced plans to develop 201 Ellicott Street with apartments and a food market. For the next several years, grocery chain Tops seemed likely to open a store on that property, but in 2019, local company Braymiller signed on as the grocery store for that project. Work on the 200-unit residential building finished in early 2021. Braymiller Market officially opened 7 months later. Taxpayers funded a good portion of the $76 million project. And tonight, 7 News reporter Krista Moran taking us through the mixed support for this funding proposal.
A more than $500,000 grant could come to Braymiller Market if Buffalo's Common Council approves it. This money would help the business out with financial losses that they saw during the pandemic. Ben Brown stops by Braymiller Market on Ellicott Street in downtown Buffalo nearly every day.
It's just down from where my office is, so it's really convenient to grab lunch.
When the grocery store opened downtown during the pandemic, it quickly became a staple for people like Brown. But in the year and a half since, the business has experienced some pandemic setbacks.
This is a situation that a lot of downtowns are facing.
Brendan Mahaffey is the executive director of the city's Office of Strategic Planning. He says the market isn't seeing much foot traffic, and that's why the city is seeking a federal grant that would help this private business cover expenses.
They reached out to us, and we decided that this was the right thing to do.
Mahaffey says the business is planning to up its marketing to help with the loss.
Braymiller is adjusting its business plans as well to transition.
Buffalo's Common Council will hear more about the challenges in grant funding at next week's meeting, where it will have the ultimate say. But Council President Darius Pridgeon says it's frustrating he and other council members just found out about this request a day ago.
The majority agreed that we have to be briefed on the process. We have to know where they are financially.
Pridgeon says he wants to know why other small businesses in the city weren't considered.
The worst thing to do is to not grant it to the smaller businesses that are struggling also, and then grant it to one entity without the knowledge of whether they'll be able to survive after that. I feel we need a grocery store in downtown Buffalo, but I have to know how Braymiller was chosen.
With help possibly on the way, it's a store many like Brown hope continues to stay afloat.
Having it now and the access, you don't want to go back from that.
Krista Moran, 7 News, Buffalo.